Good morning children, I hope class 10 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing trigonometry, already we have completed exercise 8 and exercise 9, and even we had started quadratic equation, few exercise already we have done. Syllabus has not been completed still, but for board exams we don't have much time. So what I thought, that few questions we will take every day, and those questions just you think those are board model questions. So every day whichever questions are being sent, you must practice and just you assume that will come in your board exam, and accordingly you practice. So at least that questions, one question or two question I will send every day. So at least that question you practice many times, and as I say that just you assume that is board model question that is going to come in exam. So keeping that in mind, you go through every day and every day you practice that question at least in minimum. So from many chapters you have, from each and every chapter I will take questions, but only I will take board model question. And especially I will start the thing which we have completed in class. So as many exercises we have done, many chapters we have completed, from those chapters we will start first, and then even chapters which have not been completed still, like statistics is there and mensuration is there. From there also some questions we will take. And although it has not been completed in class, but I will make so easy that you will understand and you will be able to do. So keep in mind these questions what we are going to explain today, that is very important for you, and try to do today itself. Never you procrastinate. Today itself you try to do. So important questions I have taken. Every day it will be same important questions for board exam. So here you see today I have taken from pair of linear equations in two variables. Question, already this type of question we have done, this has been explained in the class, so I don't think much time will be required. Few hints I will give, and I will try to even solve also this question so that you will be able to understand, you will be able to solve by yourself. Here you see we have question. A motorboat can travel 30 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 7 hours. So upstream and downstream, I hope you understand this type of question already has been solved. So 30 km upstream and 28 km downstream, a motor is traveling and it is taking 7 hours. It can travel 21 km upstream and 21 km downstream, means it will return in 5 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed to the stream. These type of questions are very important. Just you watch properly how I am solving and try to solve similar questions from your RS Agrawal, from my NCERT, or even from some sample papers if you have. Today itself you find out similar questions and try to solve. So this downstream and upstream I hope you understand. Here we will see question has been given. This is your upstream and downstream. So here again I am explaining. Suppose the flow of water in this way. The flow of water in this way. So this will be called downstream. This will be called downstream, and just opposite to the direction of flow of water will be called upstream. So I hope you understand this. So one thing only you need to remember, when suppose boat is having some speed in still water. Suppose it is having x km per hour in still water, and the speed of this stream is y km per hour. So boat's speed you have known, means you know that is x km per hour. Speed of stream you know that is y km per hour. So when boat will go with the stream, means in downstream, at that time the speed of boat will be x plus y km per hour. and just opposite to it, when upstream it will go, the speed of boat will be x minus y km per hour. This you need to remember, and if you will understand this, I think you will be able to solve question. So let's see how we will solve. Here we see, and again this is very important that when you are writing your answers in your answer sheet, your presentation should be very good, your writing should be good in proper order by following proper steps you must write. Here you need to find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So two variables you have. So this only you need to assume. So suppose you will write, suppose the speed of the boat in still water is equal to x km per hour. The speed of boat in still water is x km per hour, and the speed of stream is equal to y km per hour. This you have assumed. Now speed of boat in downstream and speed of boat in upstream you need to write. Here you will write the speed of the boat in downstream. Already I have explained while explaining this exercise. The speed of the boat in downstream will be x plus y km per hour, and the speed of the boat in upstream will be x minus y km per hour. Now you need to remember what? Here time has been given. So you know time is equal to distance by speed. So that formula we will follow. What we know, time is equal to distance by speed. This formula we need to follow. Now here you see, we will write equation. So according to first condition, here you see what has been written. Here it has been written a motor boat can travel 30 km upstream. Upstream means x minus y. Here you see upstream means x minus y. So 30 by x minus y and 28 by x plus y is equal to 7 hours. So here we will write 30 by x minus y plus 28 by x plus y is equal to 7. So this is suppose first equation. And according to second condition, what we have? According to second condition, we have it can travel 21 km upstream and return, means the same distance is being traveled, 21 km upstream and 21 km downstream, and then it takes 5 hours. So here we will write 21 by x minus y plus 21 by x plus y is equal to 5, and this is our second equation. Now suppose 1 by x minus y is equal to a and 1 by x plus y is equal to b. In that case, we will be having these equations: 30a plus 28b is equal to 7 and 21a plus 21b is equal to 5. Now it is required to be simplified, and for that, just to see what we will do, this is required to be multiplied by 3. So that 3 into 28 we will get 84, and 4 into 21 we will get 84. Just to multiply this, what we will get? 90a plus 84b is equal to 21, and 84a plus 84b is equal to 20. Now this is required to be subtracted. If you are subtracting this, then this will be cancelled. You will get 6a is equal to 1. Now here you see a will be equal to 1 by 6. Now this is required to be substituted in any of this equation. So by putting or substituting, you write, putting the value of a, we will get, here you see, 30a means 30 into 1 by 6 plus 28b. 28b is equal to 7. So here you see what we will get, 6 5 30. So 28b is equal to 7 minus 5. Therefore b will be equal to 2 by 28 means 1 by 14. Now a we have got 1 by 6, b we have got 1 by 14. These are required to be substituted over here. So we will write then 1 by x minus y is equal to a we have. A means 1 by 6. Therefore x minus y will be 6. And we have 1 by x plus y. X plus y is equal to 1 by 14. And therefore x plus y is equal to 14. Now we have two equations again. Suppose this is third equation and this is fourth equation. Third equation we have x minus y is equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 14. We have fourth equation. So now you simplify from equation third and fourth. What we have? We have x minus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 14. This you simplify, this will be cancelled. 2x is equal to 20. Therefore x will be equal to 20 by 2. It means 10. X we have got. Now by putting the value of x in any equation you put. Any equation you can write also any equation. Suppose third. So third equation we have x minus y is equal to 6. Put the value x is equal to 10. 10 minus y is equal to 6, or minus y is equal to 6 minus 10, or minus y is equal to minus 4. It means y is equal to 4. So finally you have got x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. So your answer is what? What you had to find out? You had to find out speed of the boat in still water, and that we have assumed x. We will write hence the speed of the boat in still water is equal to x, and that is 10 km/h. And speed of the stream is equal to y, and that is equal to 6 km/h, and this is your answer. So in this way we need to solve. So I hope you understood, but one thing you need to remember: everywhere, wherever statements are required to be written, you must write. Only if you are solving questions, somehow will not work. Each and every statement, just to see how it has been written. In the same way, when you are solving any question similar to this, we must write everything. Each and every steps are required to be written, then only you will get full marks. So after saying question, just you make up your mind. In rough, you just calculate properly. In proper way, you write down. Then these statements you start writing in proper way. Follow each and every steps, and then you solve question. Merely solving questions will not secure. That will not fetch good marks. So if you want to get good marks, proper steps are required to be followed. So in the same way, we will solve every day one question at least, and it is my earnest request, whichever questions will be sent, you must practice many times. So best of luck. Thank you.